Kriti.
And my name is Kennedy, and we are science ambassadors at the University of Texas, Arlington.
Today we are going to show the effect of pressure and temperature by liquid nitrogen.
So we have this rubber tubing that is going to be very critical in our demonstration today, as well as liquid nitrogen itself, which we are going to have in this black bucket. Liquid nitrogen's temperature at atmospheric pressure is negative 320 degrees Fahrenheit.
That means it boils at negative 196 degrees Celsius, which is colder than Mount Everest or North Pole.
So we're going to start this demonstration by pouring some liquid nitrogen into our black bucket. Cool. So first I'm going to put on these cryo gloves. So I'm going to first take this tubing and place the bottom of it into the liquid nitrogen.
As you can see, when we stick the end of the tube inside, the liquid nitrogen is boiling and expanding, and it's being expelled out of the other end of the tube.
Alrighty, so now we're going to take that same rubber tubing and I'm going to coil it.
The reason behind the uncoiling of the rubber tube is the difference in temperature. The liquid nitrogen is so cold, so when I dipped that in, the temperature of the rubber dropped instantly and it contracted the molecules. But when I took it out and put it on the bins, it is now at the room temperature, and now it started to expand because of the difference in temperature and exchange of heat.
Inside of the liquid nitrogen, the rubber tubing becomes very brittle. It's able to break off into pieces. So we're going to take this second cut of the rubber tubing and tie it into like a big knot pretzel while it's still flexible out in room temperature.
Yeah,
this is our shape.
Got it.
And we're going to put it back inside the liquid nitrogen.
So brittle that it's like a glass now.
So we're going to take this hammer, we're going to take and we are going to shatter our piece.
You can see that the flexible rubber tube now is all shattered and it's like a little piece of hard plastic or glass. Please do not try this at home. I have got the liquid nitrogen that we used during our demo. Do you remember that nitrogen gas is like 78% of our air? So I'm just gonna recycle this to our atmosphere. And always remember 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. So here we go. Thanks for watching.